Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of October, well actually technically September 30th through October 6th. And what I decided that I was going to do today was going to use this paper pad that my sweet friend Kim actually brought me. And she's Kim with Creative Practicalities here on YouTube. I'll leave her link down below if you're interested in checking out her channel. She does really cute DIYs and crafty paper crafts and all that. Anyway, she bought me this Hot Buy paper pad at Michael's, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, please. So I picked out some of the papers in here. Let me go ahead and you can actually go to her channel. I'll leave the link to where she actually purchased those. She did a flip through of those on her channel, so if you're interested you can check that out. So I did pull out some papers. So as soon as I saw this particular paper, I knew I wanted to use it. I knew what I wanted to do with it. I was instantly inspired. This one's going to be a fairly quick one because I kind of already know what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna pull out that paper. I pulled out this one with the little acorns, and then I also am gonna pull out all of the little journal cards here that have the little people on it, or the little animals on it. So that is the plan. And then I just purchased this recently at Tuesday Morning, and it's got some cute little fall. I liked the little animal stickers and the acorn. Not sure how much of this I'm going to use, but I thought I would throw that in there, and then we'll see what else I come up with as we go along. So I think I'm going to actually talk through most of this because I don't really feel like doing a voiceover. This is already Tuesday night. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday. So it's actually the 1st, and I haven't completed this yet. So I am wanting to complete it as quickly as humanly possible. And I'm going to try to do better at keeping this centered, but you'll have to just bear with me. I'm still trying to learn this new camera angle. I keep it centered. I'm gonna just put some washi tape on the sides of where this is at, so I have an idea of where to keep it in my camera angle. So then if I move it, I can readjust. Here's the plan. I'm gonna take this page, and I'm actually going, so what I thought I would do, I'm going to use this basically almost to cover up the whole entire planner layout. And I'm going to use this one piece. So I'm going to cut this part out, and then, ooh, I can't pick this up. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this part out, and I'm going to leave a pretty big outline around it. So I don't want to cut it too close to the edge. So I'll just put this on fast forward and do this piece. Okay, so the plan is I'm going to actually, okay, so my plan is to put this here on the edge. And then take this and cut it. So I realize that it's going to take up quite a bit of planner space. I'm okay with Thursday and Friday, but I don't know if I'm okay with Saturday and Sunday. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this a pocket so that if I do want to stick something in here, that I can do that. All right, so I'm going to cut this. I think I'm actually going to use this for the side panel instead of the acorns. I don't know how long I need it to be. If I can leave this leaf here and want to. Might just end up cutting it off anyway. And then I was thinking I could leave this leaf as well. Okay, now decision time. Do I put it from here or do I cover all of this up? Okay, I think I like that. So I'm going to cut this a little bit closer to this leaf, just so it's kind of dangling over onto Monday. And then I'm going to cut this tree branch off. And then cut this right there. So let me get all these pieces glued down. Okay, I got those pieces glued down. I glued this little pocket here so this can tuck in there. And so if I need extra space for Saturday and Sunday, I have that. And then it's white on the back, so I can always write on the back as well. And then, okay, so then what I think I'll do now is sticker time. Alright, so I think I'm going to be done for this evening. I kind of don't like it. I really love this part, but I feel like I had a really hard time finding stickers that were orange or brown. So I pulled in some of the blue, which I like. So, yeah. I feel like this doesn't pop off the page enough. I'm wondering if I'm gonna try something. I'm actually gonna go around the image with like pretend sewing lashes. Okay. I don't know if that really helped, but I like it. All right, so there is my planner layout. I think I will, so my to-do for tonight, which is Tuesday, is my planner layout. So I need to record, edit, and hopefully upload tonight. So I'm just gonna put plan. So this is kind of like my weekly plan with me video. I'm gonna do my Halloween decorate with me. That is actually being downloaded right now. I would like to do my journal layout. See if that happens. And then I've got game night at Rick's at 7 p.m. I don't have any plans for this weekend. And then I'll just kind of figure out what I want to do for videos for this weekend. Yeah, so that is basically what I do yesterday. I did something that I wanted to put here. It was Monday. What did I do yesterday? I can't remember. I'll have to look it up. All right, well, that was it. Oh, yes, I do remember now. I had my outreach. I'm like, I know I did something yesterday. I had my church dinner at 6. I had like a volunteer outreach leadership meeting. All right, that was it. Okay, guys, so that's all I'm going to do today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you again real soon for the next one. Bye for now.